Ty back with the M's family with another video. Today I got another cook video for you guys. I am making steak, as you can see. I got some steak, some shrimps in the pot right there. This empty pot right here, I'm gonna put some chicken rice into that. This here you go right here. Something simple, nothing too big, nothing too small. You know, something simple, quick. I don't feel like being up on my feet cooking. But you know, the family asked me, Daddy, can you make something to eat? Sure, so you know, gotta do that for the fam. So as you can see, I already have my steaks already on my little grill right here. This grill comes in handy, you guys. You can plug it up anywhere around the house, put it anywhere, just as long as you being safe with it. Same thing right here. I got double eye set right here. So I ain't feel like cooking on the stove. I wanted you guys to see, you know, up and close, up and personal, what I actually do. I'm pay attention to this back here. That's my little stand. So I'm gonna sit you guys right here, let you guys get a good angle on what's going on. I wish you guys can smell it. It smells really good. So, yeah. Can I say hi to the vlog?
This steak is smelling real good.
Yeah.
I will shower with it.
Okay, this butter on the fork. I'm gonna use the butter to go ahead and sauce up my pan, just so it don't burn. You know, take it around. Just take it around there, just like that. Do it like that. Let some of them juices, and then I got it on low. I have it on low, not too high, because you know these are real thick steaks. You got these from Walmart. You don't want your steaks to get overcooked. You don't want them to be overcooked. If you overcook them, it'll be nice. It'll be chewy. So you let them slow cook. That meat will fall straight off. So I'm gonna get 2 tables close to the table, you guys. All right. So now I got the pot on. So now I can go ahead and pour my rice in. Right here and pour the rice in.
Yeah, let me get it.
So we do is we pour it in without the water. Just let it cook. Just maybe probably about like a good 30 seconds, 60 seconds, maybe two minutes or two. Just so it can, you know, soften up a little bit just before you pour the water in. These eyes, they cook, but they don't really cook like the stove. They a little slow. So I already had everything kind of marinating already on before I started the video. So like that cook. So I have the shrimps right here, you guys. I have the shrimps right here in this pot. So what I'm gonna do is after these done, well, they kind of already done. I'm just leave them on for probably another minute or two. That's what I'm gonna break them over top of the steak. You gonna see. If you stick in long enough, you will see what I'm actually bring to this meal. We'll see how this meal actually turn out. turn that off. While the water's still hot, I'll just leave the water into just so it can stay warm. Just so it can stay warm. I don't want it to be cold.